To become a sponsor, just visit superfoodparents.com.
Shouts out to
So
Melinda
this
Elliott.
is day 3
Y'all
of
know she's
the
a level 2 Buy
KOV
Me a Coffee member.
challenge. So one of the things that we're supposed to do is ask a question. And one of the questions I'm interested in is, what do you think about my channel? When I started this channel, I started it, well, for me, I'm a type A personality and I needed to relax. I have some disabilities that are related to stress. And it seems like people like them and watch them. But you guys tell me what you think. Bye.
Alright, let's try to make sure I keep up with my video spots on this time's edits, because I'm trying to do this with no fucking editing. Shout out to me, because if I get it done, I don't have to edit it later. But you know how it goes when you make videos, so you know, it is what it is. If you gotta edit, you gotta edit. If you don't, you didn't. So, we're gonna get back to it. We're gonna put him up on a little bit faster speed, because I know y'all know I'm not slow, so we're gonna step it up to 1.5. That way we can get up out of here today, right? Right.
Available, that's tremendously important. There hasn't been much academic study that's gone into the effects of cannabis, what they are long-term versus short-term. Now funding is becoming available to actually do that work.
San Francisco may be the friendliest jurisdiction imaginable for a minority cannabis entrepreneur. One report from 2021 found that nationwide, fewer than 2% of owners in the cannabis industry are black. Even in the places that do profess a strong interest in social equity, the policies and politics can be tricky. New Jersey, for instance.
My name is Precious Osage-Arese, and I am the founder and CEO of Precious Canna Company. Precious Canna Company is the first black woman-owned pre-roll brand to launch in the state of New Jersey.
A pre-roll, in case you have forgotten.
A pre-roll is cannabis that's already been rolled for you in a joint-like form, so you don't have to do nothing but pull it out, light it up, and enjoy yourself.
New Jersey began to roll out its recreational cannabis program in 2022.
We're in about 20 dispensaries and growing.
That's a pretty small footprint, to be honest, especially when you hear what Osage-Arese was hoping for when she got started in the cannabis business.
Listen, I went up for licensing. I tried to open my own dispensary. I sunk my life savings and raised over $2 million to get into the game. I was not able to get that dispensary.
Okay, so let's back up.
I never thought I'd be in cannabis, okay? If you would have asked me, my parents, I am a Nigerian-born African-American woman. When I sat my parents down and told them I was entering the cannabis industry, they asked for a PowerPoint presentation as to how this makes sense for my life. Before cannabis, I was an aspiring journalist. I interned at CNN with Wolf Blitzer. At one point, I just really enjoyed news. And the news of the day in New Jersey was weed. I remember our governor running on weed and wages. That was the news of the day.
So in 2019, she and a business partner started a CBD delivery company called Roll Up Life. CBD is one of the non-intoxicating components of the cannabis plant. A lot of people like it for pain and stress relief. CBD was already legal in New Jersey, as it was in most states, and Osage-Arese saw it as a good entry point, a way to get the feel for the industry while awaiting full legalization in New Jersey. She and her partner got exposure to the supply chain logistics, the financial regulations, and other wrinkles of the cannabis industry. The goal was obvious: to be in position to win a license when the time came.
Everyone wants to have this license. This license gives you the green light to cultivate, manufacture, dispense, distribute, wholesale, or deliver.
But the number of licenses are limited, and there was a lot of competition. Osage-Arese thought she had a good chance for two reasons: her experience with CBD and the fact that as a Nigerian-born African